It's a certified 2020 Lexus IS. For those who refuse to follow, choose your fast lane and feel the visceral connection between you and the road at the head of the pack. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: smart device navigation, dual zone climate control, doors and push-button start proximity key, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, rear-wheel drive, streaming audio, manual tilting steering column, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. Lexus, inspired design, relentless innovation, incredible performance. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
At Arizona Car Sales, the price you see is the best upfront price, and you don't have to negotiate for it. Get the car, truck, or SUV you want and experience the Arizona Car Sales difference today.